I'm Michael Grund from Germany, and this is my project number 2. So, the first thing was to create the respective models. So I have now in my project, I have models for category, listing, watch list, bid, and comment. The second one was create listing. User should be able to visit a page to create a new listing, which is only possible once you are registered. And to register a new user, let's do it here. Donald Duck will be the new user, and he will get a password. Register. All right, now we are signed in as Donald Duck. We can do add a new listing. What we're going to list is a mountain bike, which is really cool bike. Starting bid is 200, and the image, I've saved that already earlier. And we can select the category. We do that under sports, and we create a listing, and here we see the mountain bike. So next is we see the active listing page, which displays the title, description, current price, and the photo, and additional to that, the category. If you click on the listing, let's go for the mountain bike, for instance, you see that there are no bids yet. Starting bid is 200. And as I am the owner of that bid, I can close the auction here, which will come later. So if the user is signed in, the user should be able to add the item to their watch list, which is now here. You see now, this is the watch list of Donald Duck. And if it's already on the watch list, the user is able to remove it from the watch list, which we've done here. We go back to active listing. User signed in should be able to bid on the item, which is of course not possible for the mountain bike. But we can go to another item like the torch, and here I'm able to add a bid. The current price is currently 22, and I add a bid of 23, and now I've done it. I got it now, and I'm the highest bid. So back to the active listing. So if the user is signed in and is the one who created the listing, the user should be able to have the ability to close the auction, which is now, let me just quickly sign in as a different user. So, and now we see that as he's the owner of that item, he can close the auction. If a user is signed in on a closed listing page and the user won the action, the page should say so. So we go back now to Donald Duck because he and this is, as you can see here in the lower end, which is, I need to move that a bit. So congratulations, you won the auction. Who are signed in should be able to add any comment. Also that is possible. Let's go to another one, ice skates, for instance. And here we can leave a comment. Wow, I need to have them. And here we can add the comment, and now we can see here the comment itself, who made the comment and when. Watch list, user who was signed in should be able to visit a watch list page. I think we showed that already. This is the watch list. Donald Duck doesn't have anything else on his watch list, but we can change that. Let's put the items to the watch list, and here we go. It's all on the watch list. And the categories, in the end, we can filter for categories. Let's filter, for instance, here for home. There's nothing in there. Let's go for sports. Here we got the mountain bike and the ice skates. So, and finally, we're also able to use the Django admin interface. we need to. And here we see all the options that we have as a administrator in Django. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much.